2010 നടന്ന മെഡിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലെ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് പോസ്റ്റിലേക്കുള്ള PSC എക്സാമിനേഷൻ്റെ സോൾവ്ഡ് പേപ്പറാണ്. An example of frequency distribution graph is bar diagram, pictogram, histogram, pie diagram. Answer is histogram. A diagram which is commonly used for representing the distribution of income is option A pie diagram, option B bar diagram, option C pictogram, option D all of these. Answer is pie diagram. An average which is considered as insensitive is option A mean, option B mode, option C geometric mean, option D median. Answer is option D median. An average which is not capable of further mathematical treatment. Option A geometric mean, option B mean, option C harmonic mean, option D mode. Answer is mode. Sum of deviations of observation from its mean is maximum, minimum, 0, 1. Answer is 0. Coefficient of variation is a relative measure of dispersion of option A mean deviation, option B quartile deviation, option C standard deviation, option interquartile range. Answer is option C. In a positively skewed distribution, which measure is maximum? Mean, median, mode, all of these. Answer is mean. Question number 8. Geometric mean of regression coefficient is option A covariance, option B correlation coefficient, option C rank correlation coefficient, option D coefficient of variation. Answer is B correlation coefficient. Positive square root of the arithmetic mean of the square of the deviations of the given observations from their arithmetic mean is mean deviation, coefficient of variation, option C standard deviation, option D variance. Answer is standard deviation. If beta 2 equal to 4, comment upon the nature of the distribution. Option A mesokurtic, option B leptokurtic, option C platykurtic, option D frequency curve. Answer is option B leptokurtic. Next one, correlation coefficient between two variables x and y is 0.08. Then correlation coefficient between the variables u equal to 10 plus 5x and v equal to 12 plus 5y is option A 0.64, option B 0.4, option C 0.8, option D 0.08. Answer is 0.08. കോറിലേഷനിൽ ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉണ്ട്, രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള കോറിലേഷൻ 0.6 ആണെന്നിരിക്കട്ടെ. ഇനി ആ രണ്ട് വേരിയബിളുടെ കൂടെ ഏതെങ്കിലും നമ്പർ കൂട്ടിയാലും കിഴിച്ചാലും ഗുണിച്ചാലും ഹരിച്ചാലും കോറിലേഷനിൽ യാതൊരുവിധ ചേഞ്ചും വരില്ല, സെയിം കോറിലേഷൻ ആണ്. An equation which gives the best value of the one variable for any specific value of the other variable is? Option A, simultaneous equation. Option B, regression equation. Option C, system of equations. Option D, all of these. Answer is option B, regression equations. Question number 13. If the angle between two line of regression is pi by 2, pi by 2 പറഞ്ഞാൽ 90 degree, then two variables are said to be option A, positively correlated. Option B, negatively correlated. Option C, uncorrelated. Option D, perfect correlation. Answer is option C, uncorrelated. If one of the regression coefficient is greater than 1 or unity, then the other is option A, equal to 1. Option B, less than 1. Option C, greater than 1. Option D, all of these. Answer is less than 1. അതായത് റിഗ്രഷൻ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻസിൻ്റെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ബി എക്സ് വൈ ഇൻറ്റു ബി വൈ എക്സ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എടുത്താൽ ലെസ് ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 കിട്ടാൻ പാടൂ. Question number 15. Who is the author of the book Doctrine of Chance? Option A, James Bernoulli. Option B, P.S. Laplace. Option C, B. Pascal. Option D, De Moivre. Option D is the correct answer. No, two or more of the events can happen simultaneously in the same trial is option A, exhaustive events. Option B, independent events. Option C, equally likely events. Option D, mutually exclusive events. The correct answer is option D, mutually exclusive events. A bag contains 3 red, 6 white and 7 blue balls. What is the probability that 2 balls drawn are white and blue? Option A, 7 by 20. Option B, 2 by 7. Option C, 3 by 8. Option D, 1 by 8. The correct answer is option A, 7 by 20. Question number 18. The totality of all possible outcomes of a random experiment constitute option A, random space. Option B, sample point. Option C, sample space. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, sample space. Question number. An event B is said to be an independent of event A, if the conditional probability of B given A is equal to option A, probability of A given B. Option B, probability of A. Option C, probability of B. Option D, probability of A intersection B. The correct answer is option C, probability of B. ഈ വീഡിയോയിലെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇഫ് 2 dice are thrown, what is the probability that the sum is greater than 8? Option A, 3 by 36. Option B, 1 by 36. Option C, 1 by 18. Option D, 5 by 18. Correct answer is Option D 5/18. Remaining questions next video. Okay, thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.